But what I love about this being brushless is that it has an extended runtime and increased performance because it is brushless. It is part of the One Plus series, so these batteries can be used on over 70 tools. It only weighs a little over 3 kilos plus the battery, so it doesn't weigh that much, especially when you compare it to the versions that are gas, petrol powered, and of course the electricity ones as well. They can get quite heavy too. It has this handle to help with back support, and I really like this. It's at the perfect height for me. I'm a little over 6 foot, so when you're holding it, it's really comfortable because it's a nice rubber grip. For safety, it has this lever here, so whenever you're using it, you can press the safety and then you press the ignition here. You have the option to make it low or high speed. Low is quite a nice cut, but I prefer to cut on high just to get the job done a lot faster. Low does, of course, conserve the battery. Right, let's go ahead and use it.